Hey guys, it's Miss Nikki. Today I'm going to make a tube wall using toilet paper and some tape. So, I've already got tape on my tubes, so I'm just going to stick those on my door, actually. And if you guys have toilet paper tubes or anything, you guys can make this a little bit more intricate than I am. I only have a couple, so kind of you get what you get. Put that up there. And I'm going to do a science experiment. So I am going to use dog treats and a pom-pom. So P for pom-pom, T for treats. I'm going to put that here, and I will put that here. Now, I need my trusty assistant because these are her treats. Hey, how's it going? So, I think in all good science experiments, you need a hypothesis. It's what you think is going to happen. What I think is going to happen is the pom-pom is going to come out slower than the dog treat. So to help me is Lombo. Lombo, high five if you think your dog treat's going to come out first. You do? Another one? Yeah? Shake on it? All right. Ready? I know. You're ready. I know you're ready. We're working on it. All right. So I'm just going to drop them at the same time. And, oh no, where'd your treat go? There it is. I think her treat came out faster because I couldn't find it at the end. And just to make sure that I wasn't wrong, we'll do it again. And I will keep an eye on the treat. The pom-pom actually came out faster that time. I think the treat might have hit one of these and bounced a little bit. So, the pom-pom came out first the second time, and the treat came out first the first time. Lombo, high five. Good job. You did great. Can you say bye? Say bye. If you guys do this at home, do you think you can find one heavy item and one light item to do an experiment with? If you do, I would love to see the pictures on Shutterfly. Bye.